Hey guys, Lincoln with Reformed Mac here. Today we are going to go over how to add an RSS feed to your database. This is a great way to keep up to date on either websites or blogs that you follow without getting multiple emails every day when you don't have a chance to actually go over them. You can simply open up the database, and when you have the time, go through what's pertinent to you. So to do this, we're going to go Data, then New, and then down to Feed. Now I'm going to paste the link for Devonian Times, and I'll leave that in the description if you want to add to yours. But it's a great way to keep up to date on everything going on with DEVONthink and Devon Technologies, and just see what's coming out, what the new updates are, and keep up to date on all the new features in the software. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.